What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're going to talk about grouping these tabs. You see how organized I am? I'm not really organized. Thank you for grouping. It makes my life a lot better because I have over a million tabs open. Let's see if let's see, task manager. As you can see, what's the memory, most memory is taking. Um, but yeah, as you can see, um, it's not doing so great. Yeah, but anyway, um, let me exit out of here. Let me show you. Boom, 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 and boom. So, with that being said, let me show you something really quick too. You could pin, and as you can see, it doesn't move anywhere. Let me do that again. Pin, and you can see another one. Pin, you can see another one. One more example. Pin, and you got, like, if you got like something that you're always in, like say if it's Chat GPT, you can keep that in, um, or maybe it's Canva. Um, Whatever it could be. Um, and maybe uh, Prime Stock. Maybe it's Prime Stock. Maybe StreamYard. Anyway, I'm pretty sure you guys get it. You can't close these. Um, so the way you do it is you unpin it, close it, unpin it, close it, unpin it, close it, unpin it, and close it. Now you can uh, do a group. You see, I got three different, four different, can't even count, four different groups. Let's do a new group. Example. And let's go for this color. Now you see how it says example. Now, say if we have a whole bunch of other groups. Now, if you see this blue line, that's the group right there. Now, when you close it, these tabs are still open. But if you open it and drag it within the group, you see how the blue line is going? Now, we're good. Boom, and boom, boom, and boom. Now, you could you could do this also. Remove group. Um, You could ungroup. Yep. And let's try to see new group. Example 2. You could go add to group. Add here. It's easier to drag it, but I'm just giving you an option. As you can see how it's working, but it's easier to drag it. Boom. Now you're nice and organized. The good thing is now you got all these. Now, for the sake of this, I'm doing this for this video, so I'm not keeping that. And I got enough things going on, so I just want to show you guys that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you wouldn't miss a video.